Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the Paint Format tool on your WPS Office writer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
How to use the Paint Format tool on your WPS Office writer. So actually, first of all, what the format that you want to copy to the ND document. For an example, I just want to click this overview format to my entire this paragraph. So first of all, click on there and right click. You can see an option called Paint Format or Format Painter. You can see this is the Format Painter and this is the Continue Format Painter. So first I just going to show the difference. First format, click on the Format Painter. Now you just drag like this. So now it automatically changes to the same format that it here. So if you want to change this whole format to this like this, just click on the Format Painter and just do this. You can see now everything going to the normal. So okay, I just undo it. So now I just going to show the Continue format. So I just want this orange bold format for my this heading 2. So just click here. So I just click format option here, then I just paint it. You can see that's all. So now you can't paint it continuously. For this option, the Continue Format option work. Just click here, right click on the mouse, just click on the Format Painter and just click on the Continue Format Painter, this icon. So after clicking this, you can continuously format the every heading here. You can see. So I just continuously painting the every headings or everything in the document. You can continuously paint like this and change the format. This is so easy and more important tool to make your document easier while you are doing a heading format or a paragraph formatting options. So I think this video helped you a lot. It is really helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And if you want more content about WPS Office Writer, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.